anything!
Hold on! Everyone, get back now!
Catch it, Alex! Bet you can't. Got it! Huh. The sky looks a little strange today.
Let's see what the weather is doing today.
A big storm is coming tonight. We need to get ready.
We should bring the kids in and start preparing right away.
I agree. Let's do it.
Don't worry, Zoe. We'll get everything ready together.
Hand me the wrench, Alex. We need to tighten every strap.
There. That should hold strong against the wind.
We'll fill every jug we have. This water will keep us safe.
I can carry it, Mom. I'm stronger than I look. You certainly are, Zoe. One more row and the tank won't budge an inch.
Good. Now we'll have light no matter what happens.
We're ready. Now let's bring everyone inside together.
The clouds look so big and scary now. Let's shut these tight. That will keep the wind out.
Hold strong out there. We'll be watching over you.
Come sit with me, sweetheart. We're safe together inside.
It's just noisy weather, Zoe. Nothing can get past our strong tank. That was loud. Alex, hold on to me. Hey, it's okay. I'm right here.
There.
Now let's stay together in here.
Will the wind knock our tank over, Alex? No, Zoe, it's strong. We'll be okay. Dad and Mom made sure it's strong. It's gonna be okay, okay?
You two are being so brave right now. I'm proud of you.
Just in case. Let's always be ready for anything.
Alex, it's so dark. I can't see anything. Don't worry, Zoe. I got the flashlight, see? Oh, thank goodness.
No need to worry. We planned for exactly this.
I'm right here, my brave girl. You're safe with me.
Look, Zoe Chem. It's Mr. Hop's shadow cousin. Oh, wow, Alex. That's so cool. Do another one. Do a bunny hopping really fast.
See? Even in the dark, we always have each other.
This is exactly why we filled these jugs earlier, Alex.
Clean and safe, just like we planned. Let's share it with everyone.
Thank you, Tank. You saved the day. Water delivery. Fresh from our very own tank.
Still standing strong out there. Just like we hoped.
We did everything right. I'm so glad we prepared together.
Me too, love.
This has actually been kind of a fun night, Alex.
Look at that sky. We made it through together,
We did.
and it's beautiful.
The sun is back! The storm is really, really gone.
Not a single strap moved. You did great work, Alex.
Even the garden made it through just fine.
I know. I'm so glad, honey. We faced the storm together, and we were ready for it.
Yes, we were.
Facing the storm together made us even braver.
If you enjoyed our story, we would love to see you again.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss what happens next.
And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you get a happy little surprise every time we post.